Welcome to Bird Watching with Peter Griffin. Today, we're watching this little bird in Mendocino. He's trying to get a worm. Oh, he's trying. More than the Pats on Sunday. His little friends are racing him. But this little one, he's a guy. No, seriously, Lois, we got money on this one. I wasn't supposed to tell her that. Get it. Yeah. No, kick more. No. Don't let him run you away. Oh, no. Oh, he got ran off by his buddy. Chris, this is what I'm talking about. Chris, join the football team. What about me, fella? Stewie, you're off football. Never come back. Nah, he's gone. I'm gonna be sad now. Thanks, Seth MacFarlane.